Hello friends, welcome to Spicy Flavors. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to make for you pan-fried salmon fillet with eggplant stir fry. It's going to be juicy and you'll love it. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to make stuffed salmon with spinach. I would really appreciate it if you could watch the video to the end, give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. So let's get cooking. 3 tablespoons of oil on an uneven pan. Flavor it with green cardamoms. Here I've used fresh vegetables straight from the market. You can check out my other video where I've gone shopping for fresh vegetables. Tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, teaspoon of chili powder, teaspoon of garam masala, a little bit of salt. Fish cooks very fast. You'll need to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes on either sides. You're going to let all the juices from the veggies seep into the fish. If you have any tips or suggestions on how to cook seafood, that would be greatly appreciated. I just like to be a better cook. I enjoy cooking. It's just a hobby for me. It's not a job. So I just want to cook good food and make videos that you will love. Wow, this is looking yummy. Let's have a look at the temperature once again. Around 18, that should be fine. Piece of it, you see, it should easily come off. See that? That's the way it is. It's white, it's not pink.